Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the fourth lecture of 5 minutes finance series. This series is very much useful for RBI Grade B and SEBI Grade A examination. In our fourth lecture, we are discussing ban on cryptocurrency trading removed. Recently, Supreme Court has removed the ban on cryptocurrency trading. We will discuss in the details what are the consequences and why the ban was there. This is the Bitcoin and this is the Libra. In our comment box you can say that Libra is the cryptocurrency of which of the following organization. SEBI Grade A 2020 notification is out and Educare 247 is providing crash course for SEBI Grade A examination. This crash course is for phase 1, phase 2 and interview as well. We are covering all the topics mentioned in paper 2 and from paper 1 we are covering general awareness, especially financial general awareness. We are covering phase 2 examination of descriptive English as well. Our content is very crisp and concise and you have very less time to prepare since phase 1 examination is on 12th April. So approx 1 month is there. You can easily prepare with the help of Educare 247 crash course. In this crash course, the detailed syllabus will be covered. 24/7 mentorship and call support will be there. Live doubt clearing session will be there. MCQs will be also provided in this course. Right now, we are running a discount on Women's Day. Today is the Women's Day, so happy Women's Day. And our coupon code WOMEN 500 can be used for 500 discount. Right now on our website, the course is on 2499. If you use the code, you will get the course in 1999. So what are you waiting for? Visit to educare247.com and subscribe to the course. Recently, the Supreme Court of India has struck down a circular of Reserve Bank of India which bans financial institutions from enabling deals in digital currencies. This circular came in the light in April 2018. That time, with the help of circular, RBI banned the transaction of digital currency and it almost crippled the Indian cryptocurrency industry. This ban was challenged by Internet Mobile Association of India IAMA in Supreme Court and they said that dealing and trading in cryptocurrency was a legitimate business activity and RBI did not have any jurisdiction over it as a asset. So it was the argument by IAMA and Supreme Court recognized this argument and it removed ban from the cryptocurrency. Let us understand what is virtual currencies. Basically, cryptocurrencies is the part of virtual currencies. There is no global definition for virtual currencies, but it is a larger umbrella term for all non-fiat currency being traded online. So you must be thinking, what is fiat money? It is a currency issued by government and regulated by central authority like central bank. In India, it is regulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So these currencies are legal tender. So fiat money is a legal tender and not necessarily backed by any physical commodity. So government takes the responsibility and central bank regulate this kind of currency that is called fiat money. Virtual currency are mostly created, distributed and accepted in local virtual network LVN. So this is very important point. Virtual currency also includes cryptocurrency. So basically cryptocurrency is the subset of virtual currencies. Let us understand what is cryptocurrency. Basically cryptocurrency have an extra layer of security in the form of encryption algorithm. So it is protected by encryption algorithm. Most of the cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain or distributed ledger technology. In the blockchain, everyone on the network can track the transaction globally. So here there is no third party like central bank or any central authority which will monitor the transaction, but everyone in the network will monitor the transaction. So in this case, fraud is less likely. So it is fraud resilient technology. This is the USP of cryptocurrencies. Some cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin or Ethereum. Facebook has also launched the cryptocurrencies. Some countries like Venezuela has also launched the cryptocurrencies. Satoshi Nakamoto is the founder of Bitcoin and blockchain technology because Bitcoin runs on blockchain technology. In this case, there is no third party central regulator. It is the peer to peer monitoring system. Let us see the practices in other countries related to cryptocurrencies. In Canada, cryptocurrency is permitted as a payment system and forms of investment. In Switzerland, it's permitted. In Japan, it's permitted and regulated as payment system. In China, it banned for all the purposes. In India, it was banned, but now Supreme Court has removed the ban and people can trade in the cryptocurrencies. Let us understand why RBI banned that time cryptocurrency. Because it lacked underlying fiat. There is no physical backing for the cryptocurrencies, and it is very volatile in nature, and it is against the global money laundering rules. If data breach happen, it cannot protect the consumer. Data can be mined from anywhere and it can risk the consumer. It has potential impact on the effectiveness of monetary policy, so it can in many way impact the monetary policy. So because of these reasons, RBI banned the cryptocurrencies. And what happened in Supreme Court? In Supreme Court, it was recognized that digital or virtual currency is the integral part of digital economy, and India is growing digital economy. 5 million Indians are engaged in virtual currencies activities. India is the second largest user of Pundi X blockchain wallet. So see, we have the population and we cannot ignore such kind of technologies. India is at the forefront of all things digital. India is going digital. We have Digital India program as well. So we cannot ban the digital currency. Let us discuss what could be the possible impact of removal of this ban. So basically, lifting of the ban will help in the incorporation of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is an underpinning technology behind many cryptocurrencies. We know that all the cryptocurrencies or most of the cryptocurrencies are backed by the blockchain technology. In blockchain, the verification is anonymous and peer-to-peer transaction happens. There is no third party involved, and it creates electronic ledger. It tracks all the transactions, so no one can miss the transaction. It quickly detects fake transaction, so this is also very important. And blockchain forms the crucial part of Industrial Revolution 4.0. A report says that by 2030, blockchain will generate $3.1 trillion. So it has huge potential, and if blockchain will be applied in different fields like in health, education, it will impact the economy in a digital way and we can grow digitally. So hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educate 247. Thank you and happy learning.